So, are you not sure or you're not confident that you can build your own home? Well, let me ask you this. Could you do this, and 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 this? Are you still not sure you could do it? Well, do you think maybe you could just fake it for a moment? Pretend? Let yourself be a child. Make some mud, stuff it in a box, let it dry. Could you do that? Could you stack some blocks? Just let your inner child come out and play? Do you think it's possible for you to make some mistakes? That's great. Make the mistakes, learn, and in no time at all, this building process is so simple, a child could certainly do it.